Gotta be quick. Gotta be quick. Gotta be quick.
Toasters.
Dinner.
This can't be happening. It's impossible. What's the word?
What's the word?
Okay, the word is chicken nuggets.
Well now, time to have a little fiddle.
Why he not playing the fiddle?
They see me mowing.
Hey, what's going on?
Cream and Cheese are upset because the TV's busted.
Shut up!
Maybe this'll help. Guess that didn't work.
What you ought to do is make bird soup.
What?
Bird soup.
What's that gonna do?
You don't know what you're missing.
Snack time, everyone!
Woohoo! Bird soup.
Don't you usually order a chili dog or two?
I just want to soak my feet in it.
Wait, Sonic don't got his shoes on right now?
Guess I need to call my mother.
I think Steve Jobs has quite a knack for baking.
Bird soup.